you. And our trolley with 4 wheels, and each wheel with a lock here. And this trolley is with 4 pieces carbon fiber cylinders. And okay, here we need to take a cylinder. Okay, this is 6.8 liter carbon fiber cylinder. After we refilling the air cylinder, we need to install the cylinder in the cart. And here we have a best belt. Use the belt to install the cylinder. After that, you see our hand wheels normally is here, and we take off the hand wheels at first, and then install the hand wheels to our cylinders. Okay, that's all. And we have reducers here, and with a high pressure gauge, and reduce and alarm systems also here. And check here. We have a storage box. Let's open it. In the box, we have 2 pieces for face mask. Okay, take out the mask. Also the demand valve. Okay. Also we have emergency escape breathing apparatus. This is 3 liter, which could support our escape service time around 20 minutes. Okay, install the Y-piece valve. And then, okay, at first we're trying to wear the belt. Install the belt and then the shoulder strap. Okay, and then look the shoulder straps. And now adjust the straps. After that, we need to tighten the cylinder belt around our leg. Now after that, we need to connect the hose, fast connectors, and then lock the belt. And then we need to connect the demand valve. Okay, and after that, try to wear the mask. And this is a pre-inspection. We need to wear the mask to make a checking about the mask seal. Just use our hand and brace to check the mask seal. Okay, now we could open the valve. Just open all the cylinder valves. Okay, after that we need to open all the cylinders valve and connect the demand valve, and also open the small cylinder valve. Okay, this Airline Trolley will support long distance operation. Also the bending operation is available. Thank you for your time.